Groladi Station.
Manila na kami. Nasa Manila na.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. We're taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for a proper and safe disembarkation. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pagdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino sa Maynila, maligayang pagdating. Tayo po'y patungo sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa maayos at ligtas niyong pagbaba. For safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na hintaying matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago sila tumayo para kunin ang mga kagamitan. Nais rin po naming ipaalam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On We have a Bear Tire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Eugenio and First Officer Morales, together with Tin, Hannah, Jared. This is Jel thanking you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Sa ngalan ng bumubuo ng lipad na ito na pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Eugenio sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Morales at ng inyong mga lingkod ng mga cabin crew na sina Tin, Hannah, Jared, ito po si Jel muling nagpapasalamat sa pagsakay at pagtangkilik niyo sa Cebu Pacific. Maligayang pagdating sa Manila. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bin that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinalalahanan ng lahat na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. And for guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests requiring wheelchair assistance, please be advised that you will be deplane last for proper ground handling. Para po sa mga panauhin na nangangailangan ng wheelchair assistance, kayo po ang huling bababa gamit ang harapang pintuan. Maraming salamat po.
Baba naman tayo ng bus. Sa bus naman tayo sa kayo.
Dito na kami. Sige, sige. Bye-bye. Parking lang airplane namin. Namin.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival and cross check. Sa tube din yata. Sa tube din yata. Oh, parang sa tube eh. Oh. Ah, hindi. Parang hindi. Parang hindi. Yan. Ah. Sa wakas.